So welcome to another episode of Heel vs. Mental Card, and on this episode we're going to be checking out one of my favorite figures of the past couple of years is the Prophet Director Destro from the G.I. Joe Classified series, and I think this was exclusive to Hasbro website, though I think it popped up in other places too, but yeah, this is pretty awesome. So we really need to check out Pimp Destro, as everybody calls it. But if you look at it, just looking at the box before we open, you got the window here, it shows you everything. You got the gold motif that's on here throughout the whole thing. You got this artwork here, and as each one of the G.I. Joes, you got a unique style, and this one's different from the other Destro, which this one even has kind of a cartoony style to it. And I mean, like, more caricature style, if that makes any sense. And I think they did that to be more playful with the artwork on this one. And if you turn it around the side, you get even more playful. And so he's just pulling down his shades. And like, I think they got to be playful for this, and they didn't take it that much seriously. Is what's so cool. And you got the poster on the back with my thumb, and this is figure number 15 in the line. And plus had some fun opening this one. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. I'm a bully back in my zone. I'm a throw him off of my throne. So I gotta do a quick review on this. There's a couple of things I love about this profiteering director Destro, otherwise known as Pimp Destro. Like, I painted my Iron Grenader Destro, so it has some similarities, just the head maybe. But there's a lot of stuff. Like, I love this actual kind of Miami Vice-ish colors to the background that comes with it, so I'm keeping that background. Dreadnought's still the best background, but that one's pretty cool too. This other stuff that comes with it, you get his, I guess, pimp cape, for lack of any other word. It looks like, I don't know, like, I know this is supposed to be like a tiger, but some of the claws here even look like human hands. But well, yeah, this is supposed to be like a leopard or something like that over like just a red cape. But that's really cool. I mean, it's a stiff cape, but it's a really cool cape. And then you get his the same box that came with the main one. It's just gold, kind of like I painted mine. Mine I just did light brushes and stuff on it. So this is really cool. You get some burning cash with it. Whoever made this was just like, let's just have fun. And then you got a Go version of his gun. You didn't get his big gun with this one though. And then some glasses. I love how they're purple. That just like fits really well with this, like the whole motif of this. And then the other parts of the actual figure, and you got the gold touches. Oh, that was another video, living my gimmick. It just finished rendering. So you got the gold touches in on the helmet. I think I did a pretty good job on my Iron Grenader one, because the head looks similar, but you got gold here, the tips of the shoes. That's about all for the gold. Then got, instead of black, you got this, I don't know if you call this like a purplish brown here. The red on the cuffs, and this is the exact same holster. I would like to have seen them went gold with that, or even like a leopard print or something like that for that too. But speaking of leopard, you got some leopard printing here and here, around the waist, a bit on the butt, and then around the collar, which sells it big time. That's right around the collar. But I like this figure, and like I said, it's just gonna be a really quick review. with some videos, but yeah, I'm glad I got this. Like, a friend of mine, when I painted my Iron Grenader ones, like, oh, you're not gonna buy the pimp one? I'm like, yeah, of course I'm gonna buy the pimp one. What are you talking about? The only problem I've ever had with like anything on these classified ones, the actual figures themselves, is like sometimes the feet go awkward, if you ask me, just a little off, trying to get them to go right. But yeah, if you can get this and you're a huge Destro fan, get it. I technically have 3 Destros now. Yeah.
Got the flyer walked in Naomi, you know me. Everybody say that they know me, they only see me on the cover of a Vogue and they flow me. We cannot be friends cause I like being lonely. I'm a boss, tell them not today. Swerving on these chickens, cluck out my lane. I'm a boss, out my way, or just do every little thing that I say. I'm the freaking greatest, I'm the rage, they exclamated. LA Times, I stay on page 6. I'm even your favorites' favorites. You better tell them who's the boss, me. You better tell them who's the boss, see. You better show them who's the boss. They'll stop and awe when they see me pull up looking flossy. You better tell them who's the boss, me. You better tell them who's the boss, see. You better show them who's the boss. They'll stop and awe when they see me pull up looking flossy. Walk in the room, I run the room. Everybody point and they zoom, they stories boom.